All cheering, Rohit, but some of them are in yellow shirts.
They're the fans who love cricket. That's what is so special about Wankhede. They want to enjoy good cricket. But yeah, today was another very good game for us.
From your own point of view, because of all that you've achieved in the white ball game, was there relief or were you absolutely confident that the big score was round the corner for you?
Yeah, look, I mean, after being here for such a long period of time, um, it's very easy to start doubting yourself, start getting worried, and start doing different things. For me, it was important that I keep doing what I'm doing, which is practice well, hit the ball well, which is what I've been trying to do. And when you back yourself and when you're clear in your mind, things like this can happen. I know it's been a little while, but like I said, if you start doubting yourself, you're only going to put pressure on yourself, and that actually the experience of being here for such a long time helps.
As soon as you hit the first couple of boundaries, Michael Clarke was in our commentary box and he said he's not over hitting the ball, he's looking in good touch. Was that something that you think as well?
Yeah, look, I mean, it is important to balance out how you want to play, how you want to plan your innings. And today I just wanted to, yes, I wanted to hit the ball, but it was important for me, to just hold that shape and just extend my arms, And then if the ball is there in my arc, I want to try and do everything that I can, that I've been doing for a while. Like I said, it is not happening consistently, but there is no way that I'm going to doubt myself about it. It's important that I continue to have a clear mindset, which is what I'm trying to do.
Gee, you gave a lot of joy to everybody today. There's a view among the experts when you come on as an impact sub. Would you rather have come on 3 or 4 overs before to get a feel of the conditions, or are you happy just coming in to bat?
I mean, look, it's something that we spoke about, but 2 or 3 overs doesn't make huge difference. I came in few games. It doesn't really help because obviously you've not fielded for 17 overs and then you stand in a position where a ball might come and you're not ready for it. And you don't want to be in that situation. That is the thought process, But I don't mind going for 4 overs, 5 overs and then, or if the team wants me to stay in and then just come and bat.
You hit one into the Gavaskar stand today. You hit one into the Vijay Merchant stand. We were wondering if there was one that might go high over mid-wicket into what will become the Rohit Sharma stand.
I don't know about that. Looks pretty far, that stand. But look, like I said, I enjoyed being out there. Most importantly, for me, the satisfying part was to stay till the end and finish the game off. That is what gives you a lot of satisfaction. And also speaking about the team, we are picking things at the right time, winning 3 on the trot now. We know how IPL is, winning those games back to back becomes very, very important. And now we stand in a pretty good position.
We don't normally have such a long post-match chat with the player of the match, but I'm going to ask you one more. You seemed very emotional the other day talking about a stand named after you at this stadium.
It's a huge honor. I mean, I mentioned about it as a young kid. I used to come here, watch the game. We were not allowed to come inside the stadium at some stage. And then obviously, after having played all my cricket here, grown up playing in this ground, now to have that big honor, it's a very emotional moment. Whenever that happens, whenever that name comes there, I don't know how I'm going to react.
Well, a lot of your fans would be happy. Well played today, though.
Thank you so much.